Welcome viewers. So this will be our second video that is regarding to regular expressions, and in this video also we are going to touch a very rarely explored topic, that is anchors of regular expressions. Now anchors are basically a different breed altogether. They only match the position at which it has matched, that is before, after or in between somewhere. Okay. So it is a bit different from the other regular expressions that we know. So I have opened a page that is regular expressions regex buddy. So it says that anchors are different breed. They do not match the character at all. Instead they match the position before, after or between the characters. So they can be used to anchor the regular expressions match at a certain position. Okay, so this is how they are trying to explain regular expression anchors. Okay, so they say anchor. Now anchors are, I will simplify it for you guys. Anchors, there are two types of anchors. One is using the caret symbol, the one they have seen over here, and another is using the dollar symbol. Okay, now caret symbol matches the starting point of the string, and dollar matches the ending part of the string. Now what does that mean? I will show you one Python code I have built. Python code I will build in front of you guys, but I have created one small text. Now let's say there is a text and we have to filter out only those sentence that has one specific data. Okay, so let's say I am having a text. Let's say I will name it called target string. Okay, now target string, what the string has is that the let's say it is something like this: capital of Japan is Tokyo. Okay, full stop. Then it has a population of 14 million. Okay, now this is our text. Now let's say we have got a problem where we need to extract only those sentence where we are having the word the at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, or we want to extract only those sentence where it ends with the word million. That is our problem statement. So anchors work in this kind of situations where we know that okay, one sentence is having a word and I have to specify, and that word comes at the beginning, like the Delhi. Okay, and you know that word that will be in the beginning part of it, and what we will do, we need to access that sentence. Now to build that, we will create one pattern. That pattern normally will extract whatever comes at the beginning of the string. So for that, let's say I will create a variable called pattern re.compile. Inside it will be r means raw string, and what it will match, caret the. Now caret means whatever comes in each sentence, wherever that sentence starts with the, it will select only that sentence. Okay, if the sentence doesn't start with the, it will not go, it will not select it. Okay, so that is the function of caret. Okay, now let's say our task is that we create a function that will only extract the at the starting point. So for that we are building this Python code. Now to build that, we will create one function. Let's say def func extract the, and it will take two arguments, that is my string and one pattern. Okay, for the time being I will make it pass, then I will call this function somewhere below it. So I will call it, and for calling I will take the target string, and the second argument will be the pattern. So pattern is done. Okay, so once this is done, then we will start building our function. Now in the function, first we shall split the string with respect to this dot, because dot denotes the end of a sentence. So in this text we have two sentences, so we will use split. So let's say I name it sentences equal to my string dot split, and it is splitting with respect to dot. Okay, now sentences is having two different sentences of this target string. Once this is done, then in the next statement I will iterate over the sentences. So I will write sentence in sentences. Okay, once this is done, then I will try to match the regular expression. So if re dot search, inside it I will write what is the pattern that we have got. The first argument is the pattern, second argument is a sentence. Okay, now the sentence over here is holding one sentence at a time because it is iterating using this for loop. In the next line I will use print and I will pass the sentence. If this is true, then you will get the result. So for, I think we are good to go. Now let's run it. Let's run and check. So capital of Japan is Tokyo. Now if I change it something else, let's say I will write it. Okay, now it's starting with it. Okay, let's check it. It will not show because it doesn't start with it. Okay, now let's say I want to end. Now why it is not starting with? Because there is a space over here. So if I move this space, then if I run it, you will see we are getting the result. Now let's say I will write, okay, now in this example itself, it is not selecting the sentence that starts with the, because we have instructed it in the pattern that you will extract only that sentence that has it in the beginning. Now anchor dollar. Okay, now anchor dollar pattern is a bit opposite. First we will write the word that ends in the sentence. In this case we will write million, then we will write dollar. So it will only extract those sentences where we have dollar at the end. Okay, now let's say we want to extract only those sentences where Tokyo means the sentence that ends with Tokyo. So I will change it to Tokyo. Okay, so this is how anchors of regular expressions in Python work. I hope this concept is clear. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and keep watching my videos. You will get some other details of regular expressions, because regular expressions is a bit confusing topic and it's very hard to remember. So I have created one separate playlist where I will post only programs that are related to regular expressions. So this is for now. Let's meet in the next video. Have a good day.